Tired of taking vacation to the same place every summer and looking for somewhere new? Well, I have a vacation getaway that will solve this problem and take you on the trip of a lifetime. Go Hawaii describes it as the fresh floral air energizes you, the warm, tranquil waters refresh you, the breathtaking natural beauty renews you. Look around, there's no place on earth like Hawaii. Hawaii, it's a place like no other on the planet. It's the most beautiful place I've ever been to, and there's something about the islands that makes you feel like you're in paradise. So the real question is, why haven't you booked your trip yet? I've been to Maui and Oahu recently, and I know the best places to visit if you're looking to have a great time in the Hawaiian Islands. In order for you to pick the best island for you, I'm going to take a second and explain a little about the best restaurants and best activities to do on each island. So first, let's take a look at the beautiful island of Maui. Maui is my favorite island, and there's plenty to do no matter how long you're visiting for. Whether you're an outdoor person or just looking to get away, Maui has it all. Eating is something everybody loves to do on vacation, and Maui definitely doesn't disappoint in this category. One of my favorite places to visit is Mama's Fish House, which serves the best fish on the island. After Globe States, consistently winning both state and national awards, Mama's Fish House is a destination you won't want to miss while on Maui. TripAdvisor ranks it second best on the island of Maui, and I know from experience they definitely are not lying. Another place that you won't want to miss on your trip is Duke's. Duke's also serves fresh Hawaiian fish, but also has steaks for those of you who aren't too fond of seafood. While at Duke's, you can look out at the beautiful coastline and watch the beautiful sunset right from your chair. If you're not convinced by now, you should take a trip to Maui. I know the many outdoor activities Maui has to offer will convince you. One of my favorite places to visit is Haleakala National Park, which you can see right here, where you'll ascend over 10,000 feet to the top of the East Maui volcano. Wikipedia states, from the summit one looks down into a massive depression some 7 miles across. The surrounding walls are steep and the interior mostly barren, looking with a scattering of volcanic cones. Not only can you take this view in during the day, but one of the most common is watching the sunset or sunrise from atop this mountain. Another one of my favorite things to do is to take the road to Hana, for those of you who aren't too fond of hiking. On the road to Hana, you will encounter 46 one-lane bridges and over 620 curves along the way. Also along the way, you will come to places to pull off and hike to waterfalls and hidden beaches, but just taking the drive is something that you'll never forget. If Maui didn't get you on the computer to book your trip to Hawaii, I know the many outdoor activities and restaurants Oahu has to offer will convince you. Oahu is the most populated of the Hawaiian Islands, and it has about double the population of Nashville, Tennessee. So if you're looking more for the big island feel, Oahu is going to be the island for you. One of the best parts about vacation is going out to eat, and Oahu definitely doesn't disappoint in this category either. One of my favorite places to visit is Kerry Crab, which serves the best seafood on the island. They even serve free Dole Whip for dessert, which if you've never had this, it's the best ice cream you'll ever have. Another place that I love to visit on my trip to the islands is the Giovanni's Shrimp Truck. This shrimp truck serves fresh, peel and eat shrimp, which will be the best shrimp that you've ever had. Eating at a shrimp truck is a Hawaiian tradition that everyone must experience on their trip to the islands. Oahu also has some of the most exotic outdoor activities, but it's going to take a lot of hiking to reach these magnificent views. My favorite hike on the island of Oahu is taking the Cocoa Head hike. The Discover Hawaii states, relatively short hike, the Cocoa Crater Trail is only about 1.5 miles, but increases in elevation by 12,000 feet. And as you can see here, this is the hike. And you go up over 1,000 railroad ties to the top of the mountain, which is very tiring. But once you reach the top of this mountain, it's going to be a view that you'll never forget. Another one of my favorite outdoor activities to do on the island of Oahu is Diamond Head. As Aloha Hawaii states, it'll take about an hour to reach the summit and half that time for the return. The trail climbs the inside slope of Diamond Head for about 0.6 miles. Diamond Head is located just outside the city of Honolulu, and it's a great place to take in the sunrise. In conclusion, we have gone over the best restaurants and outdoor activities on each island, and by now you should be running to the computer to book your trip. As Michael Toriga states, From sandy beaches with emerald blue water and palm trees under tranquil skies, the rugged black shoulders of volcanoes that continue to reshape the earth, the Hawaiian Islands are one of the most beautiful places on earth. Whether you book your trip to Maui or one of the other small islands in the Pacific, I know you won't be disappointed once you get there. Hawaii is a place like no other place, and it's a paradise in the middle of the Pacific Ocean that everybody should visit once in their lifetime. And there's no better time than now. So pack your bags and let's take the trip of a lifetime.